guy, but with a attachment on the back. One of these with one of these, and another one of these. We kept building. So first we starting with this. Then we take one of the wings, put it like that. Then take the other wing and do the same thing. Like that. Then take the Lego guy. Put the weight here. Then it's done. Today I show you how to build the wingsuit from balcony from the pencils. It's easy.